The UK Associate of Aesthetic Plasticity Surgeons, BOPS, told it was the largest hazardous beauty order to expose. The surgical has been done famous by celebrities. But lot human beings are setting themselves at hazard by searching more profitable procedures overseas, BOPS alerted. A Brazilian buttstock raise, barrel, is a beauty order in that fat is undertaken of one portion of the flesh and later injected in the butt. A other UK female in her deceased 20s, as well dead the year, the Victoria Derby program has scientific. An investigation in her die is due to occur during the following year. Gerard Lamb, advisor plasticity general surgeon and BOPS term, explainable, it has the highest die bet of all procedures due to the hazard of injection fat in big veins in the butt, how can journey to the cardiac or marrow. One 23-year-old female of Wales, who did not desire to be mentioned, told she had been leftward scarred for lifetime following possessing BBL surgical in February in Turkey. 3 months following the order, contaminated holes emerging on her butt. I couldn't go correctly for ages, she told. To be fair, while the holes came it was superior as the fat was seeping of, that done it probable to go once again. She told her butt were seeping for 3 months, soaking all my clothing. She added, it smelled. I had to dressing it up each date. I frankly desire I could go behind. I was lucky in my flesh up. And now I pay a silly sum of cash to see love the female who include subjected BBL surgical overseas include had to search NHS treat as a outcome of it departure incorrect, that BOPS estimates is standing the public health facility thousands of pounds. It has intended how severe complications, consisting lung embolism, fat necrotic and sore, how need period in clinic can price more than rather than £13,000 per patient. Such struck need an ordinary clinic remain of 20 days, it offered, relying on information at one clinic. Cheryl Pilgrim Hughes, a lawyer of Irwin Mitchell specializing in claims occurring of beauty surgical overseas, told the quantity of girls inquisitive on BBL complications is increasing. Several patients include had leather grafts, other include had considerable periods of period off job and several include incurred mental issues, she told. Complaints as well involve possessing fat passed to the incorrect region of the flesh, for sample, to the butt quite rather than the butt. She just met the general surgeon for the at first period 10 protocol up creature put by general painkiller. A few days after she had a very top dengue, but while she tested to say to the general surgeon and medical staff she says they stopped responsible to her emails and texts. She was acknowledged to clinic in the UK, and had to get a monthly off job. 2 years on, the female told she yet has ache of the surgical. Ms. Pilgrim Hughes told more than rather than part of her clients had subjected surgical in Turkey, in Hungary, Belgium and Spain as well routine destinations. She added how the female frequently signed document they do not get to recite, in the regulation and facility comprising a paragraph indicating how any adverse comments done on the internet or on public print will outcome in a libel litigation.